Welcome back to my channel. Today, prepare to be captivated as we venture into the heart of natural healing. I am Penny, and in this illuminating episode, we unravel the secrets of holistic well-being, exploring the profound impact of nutrition on our lives, as well as look into foods that make inflammation worse. Today, we will explore a revelatory journey that promises not just relief, but empowerment through the healing touch of nature. Arthritis is a condition that touches the lives of millions, and it often serves as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Yet, within the folds of nature, we find remedies that can ease the burden and pave the way to a life free from constant discomfort. Our expedition into arthritis-fighting foods reveals not just sustenance, but a holistic approach to well-being. Curcumin, its active ingredient, dances with anti-inflammatory brilliance. As you savor its warm hues in curries and teas, you invite healing into your very core, soothing not just joints but the soul. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these aquatic wonders do more than satiate your taste buds. They embark on a therapeutic odyssey within your body, calming inflammation and restoring balance to your joints. Blueberries, strawberries, and their kin usher in a wave of vibrant health, proving that combating arthritis can be as delightful as it is nourishing. These greens stand as tall as guardians of your joints. They not only fight inflammation, but also nurture your body, reminding you of the intricate dance between health and the environment. These nuts deliver a symphony of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. In every bite, you fortify your body, allowing it to stand resilient against inflammation, granting you the freedom to revel in life's simple pleasures. This root, which is celebrated across cultures, possesses anti-inflammatory properties that echo through generations. Whether as a fragrant tea or a culinary marvel, ginger becomes your ally in the battle against arthritis, offering relief with every sip and bite. And there you have it, a grand tapestry of nature's healing wonders, each thread woven intricately to offer not just relief, but a promise of vibrant living. I implore you to share this wisdom far and wide, not just as knowledge, but as a beacon of hope